You have to understand the processes and the principles. So the first principle is least amount of mechanical, chemical disturbance possible.
Principle 1 is to limit the disturbance of soil.
Okay, where in nature do you find tillage? You don't. People rototill their garden. What happens when you do that? You destroy the natural home for all that biology, the same biology that's going to cycle the nutrients to help those plants grow.
Tilling breaks down the soil structure that has been created by living things. It destroys the home of the diverse organisms and creatures that are necessary for the growth of plants. No-till farming uses special equipment that cut narrow grooves in the surface just deep enough to plant seeds. By not ploughing the soil, the underground ecosystem remains intact.
It's not only tillage, it's also chemical disturbance. So synthetic fertilizer is a chemical. Herbicides, pesticides, fungicides. That's fighting nature when we do that.
Agricultural chemicals kill not just harmful insects and germs, but also microorganisms that are beneficial to plants. And it's best to minimize the use of chemical fertilizers as they disturb the symbiotic relationship between plants and microorganisms. Brown's second principle is to keep the soil covered with natural armor.
And look here where we're standing. Look at the armor, that residue that's covering the soil. That protects the soil, just like our skin protects our body.
Soil should not be exposed, but covered with plants at all times. This protects it from erosion by wind and water and also prevents moisture evaporation. Principle 3 is diversity.
So look here in this cover crop. I actually have about 12 different species of plants growing here together. Nature abhors a monoculture, does not want a monoculture.
Brown says diversity enhances ecosystem function. A single species is not enough to ensure a well-balanced soil. Each plant or living organism plays a role in maintaining